Welcome to the Agribusiness Report. I'm David Geiger. Being able to get a view from the sky of farmland is becoming easier and also more popular. The data you can get from the air has all kinds of business applications and potential for rural America. But actually seeing the full breadth and productivity of Iowa from above reveals a land of abundance. Agribusiness Report correspondent John Nichols has more.
Dancing across an Iowa cornfield, kicking tassels along the way, is an unparalleled thrill that must be experienced to be fully appreciated. But as much fun as it is to see the state from a powered paraglider, this aerial view only reinforces what many people instinctively know. Iowa is an agricultural powerhouse, and gliding slowly over the fertile landscape, it is readily apparent that the harvest of 2016 is a bin buster. U.S. corn production is estimated at 15.2 billion bushels this year, with an average yield of 175 bushels per acre. If realized, both figures would be the highest in history. Leading the way is the agricultural juggernaut better known as Iowa, where production of corn, America's primary row crop, is estimated at a record 2.7 billion bushels, on an average yield of nearly 200 bushels per acre.
We produce more corn in Iowa than all but 3 countries in the world. Only the U.S., China, and Brazil produce more corn than the state of Iowa. So, amazing production.
Iowa Secretary of Agriculture Bill Northey has firsthand knowledge of his state's rank in grain production. And the 4th-generation farmer from Spirit Lake also notes that Iowa's agricultural productivity extends well beyond the cornfield.
Historically, there have been 4 countries that produce more soybeans than Iowa does. That is U.S., Brazil, Argentina, and China. Actually, last year and this year, Iowa will produce more soybeans than China. So now just 3 countries. We use nutrients from livestock to be able to feed our crops, and then that crop production helps feed our livestock, and it creates a very strong agricultural industry that then has a huge impact on the economy of Iowa. Somewhere 20-25% of the state's economy is directly related to agriculture.
Back in the air on my powered paraglider, I realized how blessed I am to fly over such a productive landscape. I'm reminded of the vital importance of agriculture to this state, and I'm thankful to call Iowa my home. For the Agribusiness Report, I'm John Nichols.
Powered paragliders, huh? I didn't even know those existed. I know I'd ask John for a ride on one, but when the weather warms up, I'd honestly probably be too scared to go up there. Anyway, the markets are closed because of the holiday weekend, so that wraps up the show for today. Thanks for joining. I'll see you again tomorrow.
We post videos every day in the agriculture section of KCRG.com.